Hi, my name is Justin Conway. I'm an Excel expert, and I'm going to walk you through the steps that'll show you how to change the default worksheet that starts up when you open your Microsoft Excel. You can replace the startup file with any file on your hard drive. So what you would need to do is first create a file that you like, that you always want to start, and that will be your default moving forward. For our example, I've created a file here that has the locations of where this file is held on several different types of computers. Let's make this file that I'm working on our default file. And let's say that right under this information, I want to have some columns that have this color background. Okay, so now this is going to be my default file. What I would do is go to one of these locations, depending on what computer you have. This is for Windows machines, and this top one here is the way I access it within my own computer. We'll follow these steps here. So what I'm going to do is first save this worksheet to a place where I know I can access it, and let's do save as, and we'll save it right onto the desktop, and we'll call it the default. Okay, now we're going to go to Applications, and we will sort through looking for the version of Microsoft Office that we have. That will drop down a new list, and we'll select Office, and then you're going to look for the Startup folder. Here we can see the Startup folder, and within that are different programs within Microsoft Office that we can select. And now we have our Excel startup. So these are three different worksheets that I select as possible defaults. And if we want ours to be the file that we just created, we simply drag and drop into this folder. So we'll take the default, drag it in, delete these others, and now the default file, when I open Microsoft Excel, will be exactly what you see here. That's how to change your default file in Microsoft Excel. I'm Justin Conway. Thanks.